The sun is just coming out now. It's the first time that I've seen the sun today. Just covered with a bit of cloud again, but it felt good because it's quite chilly. I've got this jacket on because, and there I slipped now on the road. It's okay, didn't fall, but yeah. So on point of view, follow, and if I see anything interesting, I will surely turn to it and show you. There you can see the sun out over the meadows over there, the fields, and out over Strand and the sea. Let me zoom in and see how that's going to look. Let's turn this down a bit. Now you can see. There's the sea. And basically Strand straight ahead, and on the left in the alcove there is Gordons Bay. This is, I think, still a part of Somerset West, these houses. And that's the dam here at the nature reserve, or one of the dams. So I'm going to go back to regular and then go back to wide angle. Okay, so we stay on wide angle for a while. Sun has come out now. It's lovely. Alright. See the shadows. It's still only about 1:45 in the afternoon. So it's a beautiful atmosphere with a cool air and the sun shining now. And if it was raining, it would be a monkey's wedding, as they say. It feels like that. It feels like there's still a bit of rain in the air, but there's not much cloud anymore. Okay, so this is a junction. That was the end of Sugarbird, that bit that we went along now. And if you look down here and up the way, you'll see where Sugarbird was. And here's another track that goes up. I think if we took Mongoose, we'd be coming down this way. Mongoose Trail. At any rate, it joins up here and goes down. So there's a bench over there where I'll try and do an AB, 1 minute AB panoramic scan of the area, but it's pretty low. So I think next week I will go higher and do this beautiful bench much higher. You can see from here that level, but it's almost like about another third of the way up the mountain. And if you take a panoramic from there, I think it'll be stunning at different magnifications. So I will try and do that next week. In the meantime, I'm going to stop talking now a bit and put this back onto PF, and then just walk. My arm's getting tired holding this gimbal. Near the water from another little stream coming off the mountain. Okay. That's And this is the Protea Trail. And it goes up here. Try and angle it so you can see. Under the shadow of the mountain, as it were, and then back down to the way that we came from, which is basically here now. Sorry, just want to get the orientation. So if I don't fall over, I can show you the road that I've just come from.